all the wheelbarrow where dey Ghana na Igbo boys where dey Ghana na dem get am. They say they do business, say they say charger or earpiece, yeah business. If you see wheelbarrow, if you can't saw the wheelbarrow where dey Ghana, if wheelbarrow where dey Ghana total na 100, Igbo people get 99 wheelbarrows. Na Ghanaians go get one. E come be like say Ghana no get agbero. Na Nigeria Igbo boys they say that they say charger, say earpiece, na hustle, say na business they do. You no go school, you no learn handwork, say na business. Na so Dangote start, na so Obi Kubana start. To no lumelu, Mike Adenu Ghana so they start business. Igbo guys, we are ashamed. We Nigerians say you are embarrassing us. You are making Ghanaians see Nigeria less. Not you fit tell me. You go come person country, come buy wheelbarrow, come put 3 charger because they say. Person go trek, they go trek from Siasi, trek from ShopRite, go East Legon. They go trek from Sprinters, go Madina. If you see this distance, if from Jakonde pass Yanakwaja, na trekking. Cause they push wheelbarrow with trekking. And you go to tell your mama say they hustle for Ghana. Igbo people, many Igbo guys say we are ashamed of you. If you are Igbo, I'm sorry, but we are ashamed of you because all these wheelbarrow na Igbo people they do am. You don't go see any Hausa Yoruba or Benue person or Edo they do am. Igbo guys you go to hear their name Emeka, you go to hear Chuku, you go to hear Chidima, Chibuzo, Chino. So Igbo guys, we are embarrassed. You people are disgracing Tinubu. See they do business, you can't carry wheelbarrow, they put 3 charger, they sell them. Abi a lie? All the wheelbarrow where they Ghana na Nigeria Igbo guys na they get that wheelbarrow. Ghanaians no they push wheelbarrow. Nigerians Igbo boy come they carry charger they sell them for a wheelbarrow. See they hustle. You know go dey village make you tap and wine. Olori buruku.
Nigeria is urgently for sale. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, that alien, that zombie, is currently negotiating with foreign powers to do or to hand over the documents of Nigeria to them so that they can own Nigeria fully, so that he can also get his own money. According to the president of Nigeria, in a recent conference about the climate change 2025, the man said that Nigeria is poor. So if the West and America is bringing any law or any rules and regulations concerning climate change in Nigeria, they should add money before they can comply with the rules and regulations of what? Of the climate change. What does that mean? The country is cooked. The country is far gone. And if you're talking about it, those people that cannot even survive on $2 a day in Nigeria will come out and support or protect or do what or fight for those corrupt politicians. A time is coming. People from outside Nigeria or white people from outside the continent will come holding the documents of Nigeria, showing that every Nigerian living in Nigeria should live with immediate effect because the country belongs to them. They bought it from those corrupt politicians. They will come with full evidence, with full documents of Nigeria. If you're talking about it, they don't want to talk about it because they think you're not from Nigeria. When you dare to talk about it, they call it hate. Nobody hates Nigeria, bro. So for us, Nigeria is from the continent of Africa. We have the right and everything to talk about it. Nigeria, I said a time is coming. People will come to Nigeria holding a full documents of Nigeria that shows that Nigeria rightfully belongs to them. You guys should be there and keep on fooling. You guys should be there and keep on supporting those corrupt politicians because of religion and useless tribalism. Nigeria is sinking, is going down to hell. I'm telling you, be there and keep joking. Let me see your thoughts in the comment section. Please, if this is the first time, give me a follow. Share your thoughts in the comment section and like this video. Share this particular video to your fellow African. Please, my YouTube link from my bio. Click on the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need your support on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. You can choose to hate me, or you can choose to love me. I'm always here to tell you the truth.
As a Nigerian guy living in Ghana, I think we should be grateful for this country called Ghana, for opening up their arms for us to come and flourish in this country. Because most of us come to this country with empty-handed. Now look at how far we have gone, what we have achieved. So well, we achieved what we couldn't achieve in our country called Nigeria because of bad leadership. So we should be grateful to this country, and we should be grateful to their leaders for the kind of policy they set in that favor most of us as we come inside this country. I know some people that come to this Ghana with empty-handed, just only transport. They came to this country. In a couple of years, 1 or 2 years, balance up. And now they are doing well in their various businesses. So that's the reason why anytime I see any video of any Nigerian talking bad about Ghana or Ghanaians at the first, and most time you see most of my videos are the way they praise the leader of this country, especially John Mahama. And most of my Nigerian guys, the videos don't always go well with them because they say, wow, they always praise Mahama and criticize Tinubu. Of course, because if you live in this country called Ghana and if you are doing well, you understand my point where I'm going to. Ask yourself a question. When you were in Nigeria, how far? And now that you're in Ghana, do your business how far? The day I made up my mind to come to this country, you know, I came with a little expectation, you understand? I never, because it's the first time, I didn't expect much. But to be honest, I am surprised because of how far I've gone. You understand? A couple of 12 months. And I've also seen some of my brothers, some of my Nigerian brothers also, who have achieved a lot within 1 or 2, 3 years. Some of them have built a house, you know, some of them are married and buy cars, doing well in their various businesses. That's the reason why I always come out to praise or support this country, and I don't like any of my countrymen talking bad about this country. Yes, I know say there are good and bad people, you understand, who face challenges, although yes, but attention should not be focused on that, you understand, because despite all the challenge, we are still here doing our businesses, not like in Nigeria. In your own country, you are still a slave in your own country. You cannot do business to feel in Lagos.
See, now new update that they give on like this, eh? If you be Nigerian person, where they gonna, you don't get handwork. But you try to attend funeral every Saturday. Just wear red and black. Go to anywhere where they do burial. You go see food chop free. If you reach the blood, then cry. See, update though. Now funeral cry they like this food. They don't use food finish me. Before the funeral go finish, I go carry take away 2 plates where I go eat tomorrow to Sunday. Yes, now I go chop today. Chop the one where I go chop the night. Here now. I go take away. Tomorrow I go chop. Then Monday we start again. I dey funeral ground like this. When I go look for funeral place, when I chop, no day there they look for about to eat. Now funeral is what I come bed. Then they carry the dead body come bed. Man follow them cry. There.
Guys, so I ordered light soup and fufu. I've not tested it before. This is going to be my first time, and I'm waiting for the order to come. All of you should pray for me. Please pray for me. 200 Ghana cedis. It's about to go like that. 200 Ghana cedis. It's about to film out of the window. So you people should pray for me. When the food comes, I will show you. If I'm able to eat it, I'll let you know. But like this now, I'm waiting for the food. Wow. Ghanaians, please, you people should come to my rescue. I need.
If you can live in Accra for 1 year, you can stay in any part of the world. So I advise all Africans, before you travel to US, Canada, whatsoever, please come and stay in Ghana for 1 year, so that you learn these 2 things I want to tell you now. 1, it will teach you how to be a proper immigrant or foreigner in another man's land, because Ghana law they work. Ghana law they work. Oh, if you do anyhow now, someone you they go. Then 2, it will teach you how to be a proper financial manager. Hey, you see this 200 cedis. If you buy cocoa from inside, if you change this money, say you buy cocoa 10 cedis. If you don't know how to manage money properly, by 12 o'clock, this 200 cedis are finished. Accra is stay by plan. If you not plan well for Accra, now orphanage home now you dey go stay with that too. And orphanage home self don't full. Nobody go allow you stay there. So living in Ghana will teach you good 2 things: how to be a responsible foreigner or citizen, and 2, how to be a proper financial management. Wait till I crack with tissue, you know if you get her for us for though. Because if you shop your money anywhere, now financial now you go land. Ha. God bless Ghana. God bless Ghana.
This guy commented, let me they laugh. He say, and who tell you say Ghana gets light past Nigeria? My God, they laugh you. See, listen, I'm a full-blooded Nigerian. You understand, so? Full-blooded Nigerian. You understand? But at least when we see truth, make we talk. You understand? When it comes to light matter, I beg. This will not be jollof rice matter. You understand, so? Ghana gets light past Nigeria. You dey hear me? Because for Nigeria, before you go get light, you need connection before you get light. You understand? But Ghana, yeah, who they stay for kiosk? You know what they call kiosk? All those wooden house when you build small, we say, if rain fall, water fi carry the house go. That person, they get access to light. But for Nigeria, before you go get light, now by connection. They'll come tell you, see, they won't connect people for light. Okay, light 33, thank you. They won't connect you for light 33. And before they go connect you for that light, you need money. You need better money. But Ghana, yeah, everybody get access. The way rich man get access to the light, that's why the poor get access to the lights. So I beg, you not compare the two countries for light matter. I beg. If you say Nigeria jollof, sweet past Ghana jollof, no wahala. They ask for this light matter. Ghana gets light past Nigeria more than 1 million times. Eh? Not compare them at all. Not compare them. Nigeria they sing national anthem for your president, the light off. I beg, not talk too much. I beg. Nigerian went doctors. Doctors, they use touch, they do operation. Now my cultural bets.
Guys, no more divorce in UK. Now the UK government has now made a new changes on spouse visa. And it said that if you are on a spouse visa and you want to divorce your husband to seek an asylum, anybody who has been on spouse visa in UK can never seek an asylum. You will be sent back to your country. And again, if you are not happy with your spouse in UK, you will be sent back to your home country back. And if you wrongfully accuse and report your husband to the UK police, you will likely to be deported. Eh? Please, oh, is this not too much? Like, is this not extreme? Because you can't force somebody who is not happy with her husband to stay in a marriage. You can't force somebody who is not treated well to be in a marriage. I think there's the way to handle this, even though there are people who are wrongfully accusing the husband, sending the husband, deporting the husband because the system and the government gave them enough power. But not sending somebody back because he doesn't want to stay in an abusive or unhealthy relationship. I feel like this new law will now encourage men or husbands in UK to maltreat their wife, to misbehave. I think the UK government should find a way to fix this so that it won't be biased, because this law is biased. It's gender favoritism.
Yeah, hello, Mr. Manager. Good day to you and your listeners. I hope you are still doing well by the grace of God. Yeah, please, I want to send an audio to you to send it out there to our people. Day and night, there are new stuffs and new stories. There is no single day that we don't have any update to advise our ladies. Please permit me to send this audio. The audio is about a Ghanaian lady who was mistakenly shot by his boyfriend. That is the message that the report of the police, they say mistakenly. So I will also say mistakenly until the police will come out with a new update. So please permit me to send this to our people out there and in our local language. Yo, no more. Dama assembly oloko odima yambano. Yambano, you no mbano in assembly oloko odima man. Na day and night no. We keep on advising you people that your life is more important than anything else. Your life is important than anything else. And so always, if you feel like you want to get there first, you may either have an accident by the road, or you are not going to get there first. Or maybe you may get there first, but you go and encounter in danger. Yes. Now, saying with the social media, you put aware about it. Honor, Nigel, why then? What call was a Yibia from the they follow to another village, or whatever it is. Mistakenly, no, why then? Wokum, a girl. But my main issue on this point in there, we have been advising you people, this message goes purposely to our ladies. You to mofu, de bia, and then now you are ending up in kidnapping. No, we kidnap mo, no more pachow. Oh, please come and help me, this and that. If you're not lucky, they end up your life. And if you're lucky, the trauma that you will go into it, only you that knows. Share, look at this girl, a young girl. Then and temper and elepe. You end up your life. Now, the most sad about the issue in there, what interview Biala, girl no crofo, boy no crofo, interview Biala, oh, the boy is very good, oh, walk a party Biala or spread his car, boy no very good. Now, the most sad about the issue in the Obia Bisade, then a Juma and a bonaya. The monk of friend work there, boy, you good, boy, Ocheska, boy, part of space. The same people answer there. They don't know the type of job the boy is doing. This is my challenge. Oh, Ankasa, I want to say the piano. When you know moko baby, girl, boy, no cheska or spread this car, or you don't give no beside a Juma dead income, a boy, while you the same person work there. Win you. No. My question to you, being of physical. On your car. So on fiscal and on your car. And I was dreaming you were there. The Mexicana or spend all the money also you good no. Where does he get that income from? I say, man, and a young guess I'm out by you crew far, I'm by you to move far, Montano. This is an example. The same thing the Malata boys, the Jeff boys are moving. Mamuya interest, what about to iPhone, what mamon, obey a madam, one book of praise, obey the car at the front. But the income now, only the final you doesn't care about. Now we're gonna buy young girl when you be the my debian, you two the column, you told the car no crampon, no crampons on time crampon, what the other social media no kid the mutual way. Na Ghana that bend the mad way or start. Yembisa young Ghana for that bend, not the mad way or start. There, Ghana, you wouldn't have been two show or column. You two know the kind of promotion in the circle would be way you would show because this Nigerians in our country now. What the baby no more? What test what true? What do I? What test what to? What test what to? Now the money paid me or you Ghana you no so making either there or in Nigeria if you want to answer. No will share the Musuba if you war. This I share about a young girl what ended life. Then beginning the Onankasano was the tomorrow was in and no that is his own cup of tea. Follow back. Nye possible say obi will follow obi hodoma when the man will go share WhatsApp. There's one guy I don't know so come on so or them say imagine because when the incident happened he was there. Waka follow back be about gama could be an ordinary. What's wrong in that gaman's no only income biala, but you follow the guy in everywhere because of quick money, quick living, soft life. So if you just know, according to sources, no, you mistake people girl no, but on them there, or your accomplice into the white chain or the need them. Send when Jan okay them because of free, look at how he's going to end up his life. Iyinya Nigeria fully was up by you crew. A lot of activities in Ghana, fraud boys because Nigeria fraud boys. Different kinds of tablets, red, this and that. This still wasn't in the country. And then in our country. So if I have to ask our leaders in the country, I'll be someone there. Say, if you people are aware about all these things in the country, what are you people doing? And then you people are just leaders. You are just ministers. You are just parliamentarians, but not concerned about the country. Abrochi, what's Abrochi, or even other countries, African countries, was where reality now. What your orders was suspect movement? Police can arrest you to investigate you because when judge may be allowed a company be allowed our income and was spend more. Who knows? They be as all bomano chrono. Who knows? They be as ukum why you ukum citizens of the country or ya ban juma, but a young man nakasa shameful piano no way ja or man nam our google no way little by little was money. This is just the beginning. Now market on chell or back a cry. Come on Togo, nearby country, they will come on us because Obia with a Ghana for no, yeah, for Obia with a Ghana for you because Nigeria for you, you crew me. Oh, now foreigners like other countries, South Africa, no Kenya, no one, I don't know, no one drink a Ghana for Sunday, you lose them. They say that Nigeria for about trying to you lose no, Obia about trying. Now, Mbuna, you are Ghana, and meet your friends. I was about Tanasi. Mama Hammer, or boy General Wakere. I like the phone film, I won't feel, I forget about it. Woo, mobile to my and you have to do it to save your country. Or be able to was so free the winning will be. I'll be contacting no more yet, no more figure, but not make there. The only issue I'll go to widen what put don't go first. I say there. More Nankasankasano, Yabaka, with that boom. Now you demonstrate. You demonstrate what manuma. One you crow. Demonstration is allowed. What's the chrome? Maybe look at the chorus when you enjoy what a demonstration. Some way demonstration, and demonstrations away when you do attack the way more be a crowd book massing at that Tamanadinella. That's a man who day or man or president with a crunum in your pizza. That is when or general AKBB. But fathers, I was on Batinaho. Nessa, Marshall Man Penino, or can be a one, forget about it. Now, obey a cry. It will be too late. Question Nigeria for the chronomona. What but they are almost up to equivalent to our population. One of 240 million. Next one 34 million. Into what I share? That's a gun almost about times 8. Never the population of Nigeria. Next one so woman to 10 Ghana or Chembisa Sembisa Yabotum Yuntum. Now, I want to put a war ban was a winning Nigerian when them was a bad so when you know war about Faba Nigerian Bojo no more. The dance to ban no bachelor. Shall Nigeria crone casse? So what to want say what crona? Now the Ghana for how long would it take them to destroy the country? Where your wise is enough. Yembebun Obialan Sonamesi, Obiaman can't show there. Dimemechi, another family. But oh, I also by ya would be save country no from this criminal people they have do it by now. Sembembon a brain a bassa number come with that boom, that was my pet, double that come on in Nigeria demonstration is allowed in every country. Just South Africa, Juma Woodzi, what would I have when your space will come on Togo, crampon punich, Benny Crampo, ye can crobiala, Nachagana. Dealing in for snow there or my boy or border what out of. I don't understand it. Share countries of Togo, Benny, over that way. You can't enter the country and be safe because control, anytime beyond control will go on. Obi so card identity, obi so card is a shoe. Card is a shoe, no card is a shoe at say, or your card, or your French casa, cards the set Jew. The card you short no or your cards the says you card the says you not seeing there card for these days card any your card the says you use your days into we are who know what them French country will be so card the says you are card of these days. And the look do 1 year or cramp or don't your card out the wood 1 year or honor. So could the 6 months or don't your card out the wood 6 months or honor. That's how it is. We are citizen now, normal card the identity. Card identity, card the tradition, or a card the identity. Card of identity. While we are citizen no more identity card. Now what we are for the more card the says you. Now the matter no every 5 years be now we see better control. Every press be what we be so I say at any time work at some we need be our double call. No we deport so. One sample no we deport the work you end up your life in the prison. Na Ghana ye boy your body at what the billion room. Yentum yon control some more be chrome then what be chrome mo those be chrome and tefros on the room afafa tefros on the room na dem crow you makasa mo hwa e crow da mo mo nyam to ba pay do do to abom ho ban a word to a wise is enough na maka there obiala onkada on fa ho but a time is coming na would them and na alata food to abaka kire fidem na mentinam nti bibia obia obia na the earlier the better. Thank you, Mr. Manager, for giving me this opportunity to send this audio to you. Please send it out there to you and your listeners. Bye.
Mr. Manager, good afternoon. Good afternoon. As you see me now, I think I can relax, my brother. Something come to my mind. Something come to my mind. Nigerians, they my country, yeah. I they speak in PG so that they go understand. Because it be like say the thing, normal, balance well. Nigeria they my country. The country hard. This thing happened to Ghana before, but it be the way it happened to Ghana, way it happened to. When Nigeria they did the way they talk, see, they insult Ghana. See, the Ghana be their sleep. How can the Ghana be Nigeria their sleep? How can that be? How can Ghana be Nigerians them asleep? You see, when Nigerians wake up and they do or they talk anyhow. And I can't realize say the thing where Chimdi talk. Say when you meet Nigerians, where they be 4, 3 of them they get mental problem. I can't see them. When you meet Nigerians where they be 4, 3 of them get mental problem. And it be true. Even this my friend where are they going there to buy food, he talk the same. Do you know say Europe here in Africa shop, some things they way you go fee buy them. Maybe if the thing be you know we say it be fixed when they tell you say this is the amount because every food no get in barcode. Every food get in barcode. So if you go there where the owner he consider you like the way Africa did, where be 20 pounds, won't they give you 15 pounds? It be in choice. But if you don't want to give you, because the food get in barcode, we put the price on it. If you don't want to give you for that price, my brother, see, you go pay him, collect the food. No be like Africa. You know, say Nigerians go bargain. Oh, see, they go bargain for that food. And if you refuse to do one for them, if you refuse to reduce them for them, they go carry you go. Hey, Nigerians, you people you did that way, Nigerians go talk, you say they love them myself. Hey! Mugana for muti and Nigeria for we catch them so more to omo chain. Send a head or hey! You people you did that way, Nigerians go open their mouth where they go tell you, say them they love themselves more than the way we Ghanaians we love ourselves. Master, this one they tell you, how they speak in PG make it go their ear. They go come the shop and me before my friend, me the way we make about 15 years ago. Me the way we paint the whole place. We paint them. We design the way we go put the things. Make the thing, It can be some top class this thing for the village where we did. Because people they come up from our village, go other place where they go to buy them. So we go the place where we go see the way they do them. Where I tell my friends, say no. When we bring them one my mind together, we say no, we go change inside. We for put the things like the way European start day. Make we not do one basa basa. Cause some African shop go where you go eh. If you see the way the shop day, self, you know go attract you where you go buy food. So me and my friend will make the place very nice. Where you attract people where they come. So sometimes I they go there, like say Saturdays, I just they go there, go help them sell things. I swear, these people go come, they go to bargain for food. Food where they go eat to. And you know, we say it be small, it be big money. Oh. Like say some cent where they the money top. They go beg, make a reduce, give them. But Ganama people go come, Jamaicans go come, every national for Africa go come, they go pay. They go pay the thing, correct the thing go. Nigerians don't go pay. Nigerians don't go do them. They go make our way, you go reduce them. Where if you not reduce them, when they go their friend in place, the Nigerian money pays. Or they see Ghana people. Don't go there, oh, don't man, that one a bad man. Don't man. A Nigerian, oh, they tell Ghana or other nationalities say, make they don't go to that Nigerian man shop. Mumuti on muna grofo we baba catch them say, omu to omu che Ghana. She, nieto omu kasano. The way I omu buy a kromu ye tino. Eyo mu ya. Eyo mu ya say, I don't you know omu ntisa, and I tisa. It's your turning the other way around. So omudom wife. I said, like you know, be something. My friend in shop, they collapse them. They collapse the shop. Because they go intentionally see Ghana man or Jamaican or any other nationality. They go tell us say make you no go the shop. This is the life where Nigerians they live for Europe. They go tell them don't go to the shop. Because the shop they cost too much. They go even direct them say. You know that what they do? They go buy the things from some place, can't put them for their house. Go, can they sell them? So they go direct you, say, go this house, go buy them. Hey, you come away. These people where they love yourself. An old man in America, he did a YouTube, you know say this thing, an old man where he did America. He did America, he built for Nigeria. It's small money where he get, you know. He built for America. He built for Nigeria. He let where they built for him. It be like saying himself too. They go where go they build. Now the man, he not strong anymore. So, but he get daughter. Do you know say he reached the time where the man go back to Nigeria, go there in house inside. His sister, his auntie, his sister, then his brother. They take the house. They won't make the man die. Then they take the house. They say where they go put the man, where the daughter they complain. Where they go put the man, they just won't punish the man, make it die, then they take the house. When you want to catch them say, you're gonna for you pay who, no more mu pay who. Omu pomu aga, obi beko Nigeria. Ako sisa in kola 40, 50, 60, abegu Ghana ebo ashawu, edis kano momu. Munko Ghana bonti sumo, omo bodam ewo kronusu. When mu pomu. Ghana for mamu transi microphone we won. She omu dada mu 1 cent. Momu dada mu somu oska. Momu dada mu say omu ye papa chen. Momu dada so omu yo bia mi catch so omu yo bia. I'm telling you. Omu ye chi kon. See pete order bolos wo Ghana. Ehun wa fatwo say alatafo pete order bolas wo. No ye ofaso just only momu. O pete order polasu. Ewo we isanwem pete owo isanwem order bola tu wo isanwem ne wo faso chain Nigeria for e puto wanum. So I can ask myself, Mr. Manager, so if Ghana no allow themselves make Nigerians come there, the two will go up in Nigeria, it go be bad. And these people,
They know they remember thing. You see the bad thing where they Nigerians, eh? See, make I tell you, no matter how these people they do to Ghanaians in the 97, 79 to 83, Ghanaians don't forget mom dear, but some of them, they still they praise Nigerians because some of them get money from there. You understand me? But Nigerians go open their mouth. When they dare our land, though, they insult we for the land talk. So if Ghana not open their borders, give these people, which can't see where they go do, which can't survive where they go feel survive in this world. Which can't survive where they go survive in this world. My brother, Mr. Naija, if you come Europe here, this England where they see here, England help Nigerians more than any. England help Jamaica. They are this be different. But in Africa, England he help Nigerians more than any other Africa country. No be lie, they lie you. See, England he help Nigerians more than any other Africa countries. But yet still, these people who come here, can't they hurt these people who did here? Can't they hurt them? Can't they fight them? If you come England here, every street where you go, it be English people, it be Nigerians where they did. Every street, it be Nigerians. They go, can't they insult these people for year? Nigeria de Martin, it be curse way. I they talk all the time. It be curse. It not be anything. It be curse. It be curse. It be curse. It not be anything. It be just curse. And you see curse where they there. Where your mouth go enter. Where food go enter your mouth. If you they take your mouth, they talk bad thing against country where they help you. See, if they don't kill yourself, you good. If they kill you for this world, you good. Cause the punish way go come for your top, you know if you handle them. And Nigeria problem, I tell you, you know go end now. You know go end. Oh. See, you know go end. No government go come where go fit do am. You go fit end now. Mark it somewhere. I they tell you. Because at least for the put the country for some certain level. So that if some government come, it you go to put the country in certain level. If you saw the thing day. So the word Tunebu day, where he say can they talk so Nigeria no get money. Nigeria this. See, no government go come where just like that, it go fit build Nigeria. No, it not go fit. It not go fit. You for build the country to some certain level. If you the corruption like waiting, make sure say some levels there where you go put the country. So that person where you get sense past you go can't continue. But Nigeria there is dead. The country is dead. Look at the cases where they use for Nigeria for trotro. Look at the country, the cases they use for Nigeria for trotro. They can't compare yourself to Ghana. They can't compare yourself to Ghana. Ghana, where we will get GPRTU, where them they control you from the lorry station. If your light, your bulb, it come off. If your anything spoil, if you no get correct, you no spray your car. The GPRTU themselves, they will come out you for the road before the police. Nigeria get that thing. They get them. GPRTU. Now then will come out you for the road before even police will catch you. Ghana for pa chale. Ya you so. Bisi pete owo bola sunkrapo no ya faso che Nigeria ipo. Peti. Omu nyina ani omu sikafo ni nyina. Pete owo bola sunkrapo no ya faso. How can we allow Nigerians make they come Ghana? We our country. make they can survive. Them brother, can they turn around? Can they act like say the country be their own? We will help you. Can they tell like say the country be our own? Look that Igbo man, the stupid way they do for them. Igbo man, the stupid things where they do. Move I can't say where our dream. Where our dream. This Igbo man, look at the way the people that they do for Ghana there. They tell you say these Igbo guys, we will give you chance where you can live for can survive for our land. They can't take the land for our hand. You see this song before. You see some before. If you not be evil, or you not be evil there or mind, you go fit do that thing. Guy,